In the 21st century, we have to engage in the problem solving of the issues that we have yet to foresee. For this, we need a range of skills and epistemological tools to help identify key issues to overcome the challenges of contemporary society. Human sciences can furnish us with the tools and skills needed to solve contemporary problems with humans as its central theme. Educational Innovation and Communication Studies, EDICS, is a two-year program. During their time of study, I hope students will mindfully identify their goals and collaborate closely with faculty members in their research projects. I would also like students to learn contemporary theories and research methodologies in their coursework and think how theories and practices can be bridged meaningfully. In research seminars, students will have opportunities to discuss key issues and be guided academically and professionally as they interact with their faculty members and peers. I would like the students to take these chances to learn important concepts and skills that are needed for conducting their research projects. The Faculty of Human Sciences at Waseda University is an exciting place to be. We are waiting for you to be a part of this intellectual community. Our door is open to you wherever you are from in the world. Let's embark on this exciting journey together.